Hello students, let us continue the lesson Kingdom Animalia. During last lecture we studied the phylum Porifera, phylum Cnidaria, phylum Platyhelminthes and phylum Aschelminthes, then body symmetry and body pattern. Now you must have got an idea what is phylum. It is a group of the animals having similar characteristics. Invertebrates. Invertebrates means what? The gills are the respiratory organs, and if they are present they are not restricted to the pharynx region. Notochord is absent, endoskeleton absent. Then what are the vertebrates? The gills are restricted to the pharyngeal region, heart ventral in position, while in invertebrates it is dorsal in position, and notochord or the vertebral column present in vertebrates. Now our next phylum is Annelida. Annelida, the word is derived from the annulus, means rings. They are segmented animals. Example, Nereis fretima means earthworm. Then some are aquatic, means found in water. Some are free living or some are parasitic. Which is the parasitic form? Leech. You must have heard the word leech. The leech sucks the blood from the vertebrates, generally the vertebrates found in the water, just like the buffalo, cow, etc. They are bilateral symmetrical. Bilateral means what? If you cut the animal through the central axis vertically, then you will find the two equal mirror images. In earthworm, clitellum is present. Segment number 14, 15, 16 is a clitellum. It is a dark region. It forms the egg case. Locomotion with the help of circular and longitudinal muscles. In earthworm, CT or locomotor organs present. We have got the brain and spinal cord forming the nervous system. In case of the earthworm, nerve ring is present. Nerve ring is their brain and nerve cord is present. So simple type of the nervous system. Excretion by the nephridia. Waste material is thrown out by the organ called to be the nephridia, just like we have got the kidneys. Now in the picture you can see this is earthworm, then this is leech. Now in the books whatever the diagrams are given, you make practice of drawing the diagram, because generally draw the diagram of earthworm is asked. Our next phylum is Arthropoda. This is the largest phylum. Arthro means jointed, poda means legs. Example, cockroach, butterfly, scorpion, barnacles, lobster, crab. Now arthro means jointed. Appendages, arthropoda, they are omnipresent, means you will find them in the water, in air, over the land. They can be free living like barnacles. You must have heard the word sanguivorous, means blood sucking. Example, female mosquito and bedbug. Bedbug, they are sanguivorous arthropods. They are bilateral symmetrical and triploblastic, means body shows ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Body pattern is tube within the tube pattern, and body is covered by tough chitinous exoskeleton, a sugary substance, a chitin is present. Then body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Sometimes wings are present or wings are absent. Digestive system complete, means mouth is present, anus is present. Open circulation. What is difference between the open and closed circulation? When blood never comes out of the blood vessel, that is called closed circulation. Example, man. And when the blood comes out of the blood vessel, that is open circulation. Example, cockroach or other arthropods like butterfly. Now respiration. What is the respiration? Means transportation of the gases. It is by gills, trachea or book lungs. Over the body, the holes or spiracles are present. The air enters the spiracles and the gases or oxygen, it is transported through the trachea present in the body. Then the excretion means waste material is thrown out by the green glands. Just like we have kidneys, the green glands are the organ of excretion in arthropods. Nervous system, simple type, shows nerve cord. It is double nerve cord and nerve ring. Antenna may be present or absent. Those are the fillers. Sexes are separate. Male is different, female is different. That is unisexual. And in the examination, the question may come: write the economic importance of the arthropods. Now, honeybee. What things we get from the honeybee? We get honey. You are knowing that the importance of the honey. Then wax for the candles. Silkworm. From silkworm we get the silk used in the saris. Then the aeroplane tires, fishing nets. Then we can get money from these organisms or use in the industry, small scale industries. Lackworm, lac insect. From the lac insect we get lac. This lac is used in the mirrors, then bangles and colors, sealing material. Then prawn and crabs, they are edible. Prawn and crabs are not fish, but they are the crustaceans. And you are knowing that how much money the person can get by selling the prawn and the crab, and they are edible also. Now in the picture you can see a lobster, butterfly, spider. Then there are number of the arthropods, wings present or wings absent. In butterfly 3 pairs of the legs are present, and in case of the spider and scorpion 4 pairs of the legs are present. Mollusca means mussels, softies, because they move about by the muscular foot. Over the body there is a tough leathery substance called the mantle, and the mantle secretes the shell. Then they are asymmetrical or symmetrical. Example: pila, bivalve, sepia, chiton, dentalium. They may be free living or sedentary. They are generally found in water or marshy places like rice fields. Few are terrestrial. You have seen the snail moving about on the land. Body shows head, foot for the locomotion, and visceral mass. Body covered by mantle, mantle secrete shell, locomotion by muscular foot. Their tongue is particular. Their tongue is known to be the radula. Why radula? Because it is horny. Because teeth are absent, but with the help of this radula tongue, they cut the grass. Open circulation means blood comes out of the blood vessel. Blood contains hemocyanin or copper containing pigment, so blood is blue. Excretion by kidneys, and the kidney of the molluscans is called to be the organ of Bojanus. You have to remember this word, organ of Bojanus. Multiple choice question. Sexes are separate means they are unisexual. Now see here, snail you can see, then octopus you can see, Mytilus you can see, snail you can see. All these are molluscans. You can see here the shell, and this region is mantle. Mantle secrete the shell. Echinodermata. Echinus means spines over the body. This is a radially symmetrical organism. Starfish example. Sea anemone, brittle star. They are exclusively marine, means found in a seawater, not in a fresh water. They can be found solitary in position or sedentary, sitting at one place, or free living. You are knowing that the symmetry is radial symmetry. Calcareous ossicles are present. Spines over the body. Body has two sides, upper and lower side, of oral and aboral side. Peculiar characteristic of the starfish is water vascular system. Multiple choice question. respiration by gills, no circulation or circulatory system and excretory system absent. Nervous system shows nerve ring, and in the arms you will find the nerves, that is called to be the radial nerves. They are highly carnivorous. Now you can see here the starfish. If any of the arm is cut, it will grow newly. That is regeneration. Bivalve is a favorite food found in the seawater. You can see the star-like body starfish. 5 arms are there. You make practice of drawing starfish. And the movement is by the hydraulic system with the help of 2 feet. Now in the invertebrates, last phylum is Hemichordata. Hemi means half, because if you see the Balanoglossus organism found in the seawater at the bottom, in the buccal cavity a diverticulum or notochord like part is small part is present. So some scientists think it to be the chordate, but it is not fully chordate, because many characteristics of hemichordate or the Balanoglossus resemble the non-chordates. Example, Balanoglossus. It is marine in habit, means found in seawater, live at bottom at the sea. Body soft, worm-like body. Body unsegmented but divided into proboscis, collar and trunk. Buccal cavity gives rod-like buccal diverticulum, which is considered as a notochord. Alimentary canal complete. Mouth and anus present. Respiration by gills. Open circulation means blood comes out of the blood vessels. Sexes separate, male and female different, unisexual. Now in the SSC you have drawn the diagram of Balanoglossus. This is the Balanoglossus. Body is divided into proboscis, collar, then gills, and here the trunk. So in the buccal cavity diverticulum is present, so you can also draw the diagram of Hemichordata. Now what type of the questions will be coming? Some multiple choice questions are there. Then you will be asked, describe the characteristics of the Hemichordata or phylum Annelida or Arthropoda. What is sanguivorous animal? What is the organ of Bogenus? It is the organ of excretion in mollusca. Open circulation is present in hemichordates, mollusks and arthropoda, like this. Thank you.